Chris Everett. We're going to talk about holistic planning and what it is. And it's really looking at everything in your life that has a dollar sign connected to it. All of your income streams, whether you're working or retired, pension, social security, real estate, whatever, business income. We look at all of your assets, whether you're structured correctly there, make sure you're efficient, not leaking in those investments. Sometimes people are paying a little too much for their investments, so we want to take a look at that. I also think that if we really take a hard look at your expenses, looking at the starting and stopping points of those, whether they're inflated or not, can have a huge impact on your financial plan. Looking at potential other cash flows that might be coming in your way. Maybe it's an inheritance, a business sale, whatever, a divorce. I don't know what's happening. Taking a look at you from a liability perspective. If you were sued, if you had an auto accident, if you had something happen with the business, if you had a long-term care event. I mean, all of these things are really important. And if you're still working, looking at your employee benefits, are you taking advantage of everything? Are you missing some things? I find that when we do financial planning, it's like plugging the holes that you may have in a bucket. So if you think about your life work and you've been pouring effort into filling up your bucket, at some point, if you don't identify that you're leaking, and most people are leaking some significant way and they're not even aware of it, well, then we can plug those holes, show you where you're leaking, how to plug those holes, and it makes it a much more efficient project. So you'll have a much stronger retirement. It's huge. So if that sounds interesting to you, what I propose is we just meet. Let's do a 10, 15, 20-minute webinar so we can look at each other in the eye, face to face, talk a little bit and see what's going on. If we agree to spend more time together, then we'll do a discover session where we send you a data form to complete, and we'll use that data as our talking tool. Because I know that you really just want to work with someone that's right for you. And I want to do the same thing. I want to work with people that I know I can help. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'd love to have a chat. So give us a call at 708-771-7777 or click the calendar link and schedule a time with me for a pre-discover session. And let's see what's possible. Have a blessed day.